This is the first time I've seen such a neat, clean, organized institute on hospitality. And what I like is the gentleman here, every single detail he showed me. Smallest of the details he showed me, and it's possible only when you are very passionate about your work. And I could see our organic relationship between the building students. He knows the name of every student and where they are from. I think this is a blessing, and it's one of the rarest. I go to so many institutes. This is the rarest thing. I've never seen anybody who knows everybody by name, every detail. It's like you are treating it like your own child.
Certainly, they are our children.
I wish all the bright students, they've got best blessings, so all the best.
So what will you say about Goa, your visit to Goa?
Oh, Goa is my second home. In fact, I'm trying to make it my first home. Find me good land and I will be here.
So about your upcoming movies?
Yeah, my next movie is Delhi Files. The first part is called the Bengal chapter. It's coming in August end or September 1st.